How to download any video and subtitles from any website on Chrome. m3u8.hls, mp4.mkv.vtt.srt and cc and more. This extension is useful when other extensions are unable to access the video download links on Chrome. Install the Max Video Downloader extension from the Chrome Web Store and start downloading from your favorite websites. This popular extension helps you download any video from any website on your Chrome browser. First, install Max Video Downloader from the Chrome Web Store, then pin it to Chrome for quick and easy use. Now, visit the website, search and play the video that you want to download. Click the Max icon, then go to Settings to check and connect to the CoApp. Click the Videos tab, select Download, and then save the file to your computer. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like.